Introduction to the NFHS Learning Center. Welcome to the NFHS Learning Center. If you are new here, you should first register for an account. Registering is quick and easy and gives you access to many courses and educational materials. To make an account, click the Register button in the top right corner. On the following pages, make sure that you fill in all the information accurately. The email address you provide is what you will use to sign in to the NFHS Learning Center each time you come back to take more courses. Once the registration process is complete, you can sign in any time to order and complete courses. The dashboard serves as the hub for your unique profile within the NFHS Learning Center. On the dashboard, you can see your courses, download certificates, and check your national credential progress. The dashboard is also where you can update your profile information. By the red Courses For tab, you can find the course you're looking for, either by selecting the tab associated with your role or by using the search bar at the top. Once you find the course you are looking for, you can hover over the course's image and either click Start Learning to have the course added to your account or click View Details to go to that course's landing page. The NFHS Learn For You page is where you can find information relevant to your specific role. If you're a coach, you can find information on your state's coaching requirements, learn about the NFHS Coaches Association, or find information about the National Coaching Credentials Program. User Lookup is one of the best tools offered on the NFHS Learning Center. This is where you can enter as much or as little information about an individual to see which courses they have completed. You can also use the filters on the left side of the screen to narrow your search more quickly and efficiently. The Help page is where you can go to find assistance on a problem or get in touch with the help desk. They are available to help you through a problem quickly and courteously. Thank you for visiting the NFHS Learning Center, where you learn today and lead tomorrow.